Ready to level up your presentation game? In this quick tutorial, I will walk you through the easy steps to download and install Microsoft PowerPoint on your laptop or PC. Whether you are a student, professional, or just looking to enhance your slideshows, this guide will have you up and running in no time. Let's dive in and unlock the power of captivating presentations with Microsoft PowerPoint. To download and install Microsoft PowerPoint on your laptop or PC, follow these steps. Step 1. Open your web browser. Step 2. Go to the official Microsoft Office website. Step 3. Sign in or create a Microsoft account. Step 4. Once signed in, navigate to the Office or Office Products section. Step 5. Select Microsoft PowerPoint from the available options. Step 6. Choose a subscription plan if required or proceed to the download page. Step 7. Click on the download button. Step 8. Run the downloaded installer file. Step 9. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Step 10. Once installed, open PowerPoint and sign in with your Microsoft account to activate the software. Your Microsoft PowerPoint application is now ready to use on your laptop or PC.